everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today's video is about how you can speed up your immigration case. So immigration cases right now are taking longer than they used to. And part of that is because more people are applying for immigration benefits. And sometimes the immigration agencies really don't have enough people to handle the volume of cases. So that can cause some delays sometimes. Sometimes there are also delays because immigration needs more information about your case. So in some cases, these immigration delays are totally reasonable. But a lot of times they're not. Sometimes immigration agencies are just trying to give you the runaround, and so they'll just, delay working on your case. Or sometimes, depending, for example, if you're applying for a green card overseas, your case might end up in administrative processing. So your case will take longer than you were expecting it to take. In a situation like administrative processing, the guidelines say that this should be resolved within 90 days. However, sometimes it takes longer. I've seen cases stuck in administrative processing for years. Similarly, for example, if you're applying for a green card from the United States and it's been years since you heard anything after your interview, that's not okay. That delay is not reasonable. And so when you have a situation where your immigration case is taking longer than it should and the delay is not reasonable, then that is when you would work with an immigration attorney to help the immigration agencies handle your immigration case a little bit faster. And the way to do that is you sue the immigration agency. So you would hire an immigration attorney who would then file something called a writ of mandamus, and that is basically suing the federal immigration agency, suing the federal government to issue a decision on your case. It's not suing the immigration agencies or the government to get an approval on your case. It's simply suing the immigration agency to force them to give you a decision on your case so that you know where you stand and what you need to do to move forward with your case. Sometimes, oftentimes, doing so will result in an approval of your underlying application, but sometimes it doesn't. And sometimes that's okay because maybe you just need to know something. You just need a decision on your case so that maybe you can pursue a different immigration benefit. A case that I personally would not recommend that you try to sue to get an earlier decision on would be an asylum case. There are a lot of asylum cases that are currently pending. This administration a couple years ago changed the process under which asylum cases were processed. And so those types of cases, especially because you're able to apply for a work card, if those cases have been pending for quite some time, I would leave those alone because they offer protection from deportation and you're also able to get a work card while your asylum case is pending. But if you have applied for U.S. citizenship and it's been years since you heard a decision, or if you have applied for a green card and you had an interview and years later you still don't have a green card, you still don't have a decision on your case, those cases would be good for a writ of mandamus, and I would definitely encourage you to speak with an immigration attorney so that you can pursue your options to sue the government to get a decision on your case. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to discuss a writ of mandamus to see if that's appropriate for your case, or if you have any other immigration questions about your case, you can reach out to my office. My phone number is 508-942-7497. You can also visit brazenlegal.com/immigration to see more of the types of immigration cases I handle. Thanks for watching.